Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas here with the trade of the day. And first of all, Happy New Year, everybody. Last trading day of the year, of course. And in case you don't know, the markets are open on Monday, and of course, it's a full day today. Trade of the day, of course, has to be NTRB. So we saw this one in the pre-market, some kind of a patent deal with the Korean government for NTRB, another low float situation. I think so, probably about 5 million in the float. And man, oh man, did this ever rip. Many in the room were able to take advantage of it. Wasn't super easy at the beginning because of the, it was kind of whipping around a little bit. Was able to get this just over that 6 level and traded it. I'm sorry, at 731. I got in at 731, and so it appeared like it was really late. I was waiting for a break right there. That's the pre-market. That's why I was waiting for that break, and was able to take it all the way up to 895. Was right up here, was worried about that 9 break. You can see what happened. It got up to 9 and it pulled right back down. So I got out an average of about probably my average was about 860 from 731. And unfortunately, I didn't partake in the next break up. I kind of missed it, but definitely was an awesome little trade. And this still could be active later on in the day, especially if it takes out that high up here. So NTRB, many in our trading room took advantage of that, and again, we identified it as one of the movers in our pre-market work. So I want to shut this down and get back into the room. So I hope everybody has a great New Year's Eve, etc. We'll see you Monday morning at 8 o'clock Eastern. The promo code is still alive for 25% off, so check the email that you're getting. And if you want to take out a subscription, you can get 25% off the first month only or the entire year. So have a great New Year's, and we'll see you Monday morning at 8 o'clock. Bye-bye.